Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, power lift gate, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.